Ah. What the?
Please, Easter Bunny, you must protect Egg.
Holy crap!
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hop.
Why, hello there, dearie. My, you look like you've come such a long way.
Lady, you wouldn't believe the crazy shit I've gone through to get here. By the way, did you know your peeps have gone completely frickin' insane?
My precious peeps? Oh, no. They would never do anything bad. They only follow my orders.
So you ordered them to eat people?
Eat people? No! I only told them to retrieve that very special egg you're carrying. It was so kind of you to bring it back to me.
Hey, wait. Why do you need this egg anyway?
Oh, no reason. Just hand it over, dear.
Well, that's not suspicious sounding, I guess. Here you go. Wait a minute. Did you just cackle maniacally? That must mean you're evil. I was supposed to keep the egg away from you, not bring it back.
Problem? You see, this is no ordinary egg. It hatches into the holiday spirit, and with it I can control all of the holidays and make Easter the most important holiday of them all.
Again with the evil laughter. Jeez. Wait, what's that? That's the holiday spirit?
Yes, I have influenced it to be evil, and now with the holiday spirit on my side, nothing can stop me from taking over the holidays.
With that puny thing? We'll see about...
It hatches into the holiday spirit, and with it I can control all of the holidays and make Easter the most important holiday of them all.
Again with the evil laughter. Jeez. Wait, what's that? Aw, it's adorable.
No, you rotten brat! You must have purified it somehow. You'll pay for this. I'll destroy you both.
Alright, I did it. I'm awesome. Go me.
Son of a bitch killed the Easter Bunny.
Oh crap.
Without the Easter Bunny, there is no Easter.
Listen guys, I'm sure there's some sort of way we can come to an agreement here. One that doesn't involve me being eaten. Ah!
Hippity hoppin', Easter's on its way. Bring in every girl and boy, baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bonnet too. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity happy Easter day.